Good day, class. Today we are to take a topic on resource development. Introduction. Resource development refers to the process of using national resources to create goods and services that support economic growth and development. It involves identifying natural resources, extracting them safely and sustainably, processing them and converting them into products that people can use. Natural resources can include various materials found in the environment such as minerals, timber, water and oil and gas. These resources are essential for economic activities such as energy production, manufacturing, agriculture and construction. As the global population grows and economies continue to develop, the demand for natural resources is increasing, which highlights the importance resources development. Resource development can have positive impact on society, such as job creation and economic growth, but it can also have negative effects such as environmental degradation, resources depletion, and social conflict. Therefore, proper management and sustainable development of natural resources are essential to achieve long-term economic development and environmental preservation. Governments and private companies are involved in resource development, and they must ensure that the benefits and costs are distributed fairly among all stakeholders. This involves balancing economic development with environmental protection, social responsibility and sustainability. So the next topic is on types of national resources. There natural resources are the materials or substances that exist in nature and are essential, useful and valuable for human consumption and industry. There are several types of natural resources, including renewable resources. Renewable resources are resources that can be replenished naturally or by human intervention, such as solar energy, wind energy, biomass, and water. Non-renewable resources. These resources that cannot be replenished once they are consumed, such as oil, coal, natural gas, and minerals like gold and copper. Fuel, a type of non-renewable resources including coal, oil, and natural gas, which are formed from the remains of dead plants and animals. So the next one is mineral resources that occur naturally in the earth crust, such as iron, copper, gold, diamonds, and uranium. The fifth one is water. Natural resources that include fresh water, seawater, rivers, lakes, and groundwater. The sixth one is forest. Resources that provide timber and wood products, as well as non-timber products such as medicinal plants and fruits. Land. Resources that include agricultural land, grazing land, and timberland. Overall, natural resources are vital for economic development, human well-being, and environmental sustainability. Class, do you understand? Okay, let's go further. The next topic is on resource economic. Resource economic is the study of how people use, protect, and manage national resources such as land, water, mineral, and forest in order to provide goods and services for society. It involves analyzing the economic principles that underline resources management decisions and how these decisions impact the environment as well as well-being of individuals and society as a whole. Resource economic examine principles such as supply and demand, cost-benefit analysis, market failures, and the externality of analyzing the management of national resources. It also looks at issues such as sustainability, conservation, and ecosystem service. Resource economics identify ways to balance human demands on natural resources with the need to protect the environment and maintain long-term resources productivity. They also analyze policies or regulations that impact resource allocation and find ways to optimize resource utilization while ensuring environmental sustainability. The next topic is on resource development and conservation. Resource development and conservation are two important concepts that are closely related. Resource development is the process of utilizing natural resources to meet the needs of society, while resource conservation involves the protection and sustainable management of natural resources for future generations. The development of national resources can lead to economic growth and development, but it also has negative impact on the environment. For example, the extraction of fossil fuels or minerals can result in habitation destruction, water pollution, and air pollution. Therefore, it is important to balance the benefits of resource development with the need to protect and conserve national resources. Resource conservation involves the sustainable management of national resources so that they can continue to provide benefits for future generations. This includes protecting national habitat and biodiversity, managing forest resources, and reducing waste and pollution. Resource conservation also involve the development of renewable energy sources such as solar wind and geothermal energy to reduce dependence on non-renewable resources. Overall, the goal of resource development and conservation are to meet the needs of society while protecting the environment and preserving national resources for future generations. It is important to ensure that resource development is sustainable and that national resources are used in a responsible and efficient manner to ensure a more equitable and sustainable future for all. Thank you for listening. Bye.